Ready to snag some Bitcoin directly in your Phantom wallet? Let's get started. Open your Phantom wallet. Look for the swap icon at the bottom of your screen, usually in the center. Tap it to initiate a trade. Make sure you have Solana SOL in your wallet. Select SOL in the Pay With field. You can swap other tokens for Bitcoin as well. Tap the Receive field and search for Bitcoin. Phantom Wallet uses wrapped BTC, which functions the same as native Bitcoin on Solana. Enter the amount of SOL you want to swap for Bitcoin. Phantom Wallet will calculate the approximate Bitcoin amount you'll receive. Double-check the conversion rate. Review the order details carefully. Ensure the amount of SOL and estimated Bitcoin received are correct. Tap the Review Order button. You'll see a confirmation screen displaying network fees. This is a small fee to the Solana network. Confirm all details and tap Swap. The transaction will be processed, and your new Bitcoin balance will be reflected in your Phantom wallet. Now you are ready to HODL.